it's maintenance day on good old Jawbreaker. Every 1,000 miles, time to adjust valves, change oil, probably go ahead and check the plugs, or just do as much as we feel like today, but definitely just adjusting valves and changing the oil, and we'll go from there. Overall, she's good, runs good. After we adjust the valves, we'll probably go ahead and do a cold start, because you know it's a wonderful 68 degrees in Florida today, mid-January. Gotta love it. So running the Weber IDFs, no chokes, so it's a little cold-blooded, but she runs good. Anyway, let's get to work. Alright, valves are all adjusted, and now we'll set up and let you guys hear our cold start. Because why not? It's like 68 degrees in Florida in the middle of January. Let's do a cold start, see what's up. Yeah, she's definitely cold-blooded, not having choke on it. Alright guys, well, oil change and valves are done. Give you a little tip, I don't know if you saw it in the time lapse or not, but that little temperature dipstick, the little Save My Bug dipstick, is a great little device that ties right in with your normal oil pressure light. However, don't try to read any type of oil measurements off of that dipstick. It's not marked. If you do mark it, it's very difficult to see the mark on the brass. I would definitely recommend carrying a stock style dipstick with you. That way you can check it on the factory marks versus where you think it should be. This engine only carries roughly 2.75 quarts, so that little bit off can make a big difference. So anyway, until next time, have a great day.